Hello friends, in this session I will discuss about DevOps, development and operation. It is a practice widely used for project management. DevOps stands for development and operations. It is a software engineering practice that focuses on bringing together the development team and operation team for the purpose of automating the project at every stage. This approach helps in easily automating the project management services. DevOps practices are based on certain principles. Automation is the crucial need for DevOps practices. First principle of DevOps is continuous deployment. Automated set of instructions are executed automatically in order to deploy application. Next principle is infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as a code is the process of managing and provisioning computer data centers through machine readable definition files rather than physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. Next principle is automation. Automate everything is the fundamental principle of DevOps. Next principle is monitoring. To know the status of software application, monitoring is important. Security. A variety of technical and cultural factors impact application security. Developers aim to push their software through pipelines as quickly as possible, while the security teams emphasize on elimination of flaws which can delay development. Now come to the benefits of DevOps practices. DevOps provides most stable operating environment, faster delivery of features for customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is one of the motto for any organization nowadays. Reduce time between bug fixing. Reduce failure rates of releases. Quicker recovery time in case of any release failure. These are few benefits of DevOps practices. DevOps methodology consists of 6 phases. First phase is planning. This phase gives various inputs required for development and operation phase. Here tools like Git, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA and programming language like Node.js, Java are being planned. Next phase is development. The planning phase is followed by development phase, where project is built by writing codes. The tools like Microsoft Azure, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Heroku are being used in this phase. Now come to the continuous integration phase, CI. This phase allows for automation of code validation, build and testing process. Here tools like Jenkins, Circle CI are being used. Next phase is deployment. DevOps helps in deployment automation process by making use of tools and scripts. Here tools like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft Azure and Heroku are being used. Next phase is operation. This phase usually occurs throughout the life cycle of the product. Tools like Logly, BlueJeans, AppDynamics are commonly used in this phase. Next phase is monitoring. This phase is used for monitoring and analyzing the information to know the status of software development. Here tools like NagiOS, Splanks are commonly used in this phase. DevOps practices Processes are being automated with the help of many tools. Git is used for version control systems. Jenkins is being used for continuous integration. Selenium is being used for continuous testing. Puppet, Chef, and Ansible, these are few configuration management and deployment tools. Nagi OS is used for continuous monitoring. These are few tools being used for DevOps practices. There are some myths about DevOps practices. DevOps is considered as process, not a culture, but in fact it is a culture. DevOps is nothing but agile. It's different from agile. DevOps solves every problem. This is one of the myths. DevOps equates production environment. The programmer is working in production environment, which is not true. DevOps follows development driven management. It's also a myth. DevOps doesn't focus much on development. This is also one of myths. This is all about development and operations. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.